Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you how to install a screen protector into your Android head unit. So now the screen protector is important because, as you can see, we have these scratches already on the protective film of the sat nav. So in order to prevent further damage, we need to install a new screen protector. Now this screen protector is linked in the description for you to buy. It's an important investment if you're going to have this screen, and I'll show you how to install it. So the first thing we'll need to do is to clean up the face of the screen to get ready to install the screen protector. Now the first thing you'll do to do that is you'll turn off the screen by holding the power button. And we'll remove the plastic protective film. And as you can see, there's already some fingerprints because of the scratches and when I try to put it on again. So we'll need to use these wipes here to clean off the dirt, and then we'll use this to clean off all the dust. So now we'll take the green one, which is for the wet, to wipe off all the dust and all the fingerprints first, and then we can use the microfiber cloth and this wipe to dry it. So now taking the wipe and opening it, we can just and then we can take the second wipe right here, opening it up, and we can clean the display, making it nice and clean, making sure there's no dust as well on the display surface. Then you can take your yellow microfiber cloth and just wipe off all the dust. Have an open window for this so that the dust can blow off the screen as well. Now there might be some dust between the LCD and the touch layer of the screen, so you'll just have to bear that in mind, that not all the dust will escape. So now take the screen protector out and take the two guide stickers. Now what these guide stickers are going to do is that they're going to attach half to the screen protector and half to the frame, so they're almost going to act like hinges for the screen protector, so that we can just give the screen protector a last dusting to remove all the dust before we actually apply it properly. So once you've attached the guide stickers to the screen protector, we can open it like this, get a final clean with the microfiber cloth, and then we can get our dust absorber, take it off and use it to collect all the dust from the back. So now that we've cleaned all the dust, we can remove the back film, careful not to touch it. Remove the guide stickers. Just give it a final polish. The guide stickers fall, it's fine. And then line up the holes. So now you can see you may have an air bubble, and what you can do is gently persuade it towards the bottom of the sides using some pressure. You could also use a bank card to do this, but a finger works fine. And once you've cleared all the air bubbles, you can turn it on to check that it looks good. So you can check all the features, check the touch, check that everything's working, which it seems to be. And then you've successfully installed your screen protector. Don't forget, this screen protector is linked in the description. It's a very specific one, so you need to be careful when you're buying it. I do recommend putting the one from the description. It's the one I used, and it's definitely going to work for you if you buy this screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.